Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you're enjoying this hot day. I'm sweaty. It's been very humid lately. Everyone's across the beach from me enjoying the water while I'm sweating and working. So I'm coming to you today from our Millay cabin on site 64. So I wanted to do a walkthrough with you and show you the cabin. So I'm just going to turn this around. So this is the view from the porch. You got a beautiful view of the beach. Nice big area here. So we've got a double porch area for grilling, patio set here. I'll go inside. So here right to my right, we have the living area. Now this is a pull-out queen-size sofa. So you have a private room here. And then you can see the beach from there. This door slides shut. So if you have another couple with you or kids that want their own space, now they've got their own private room. Then we come out into the kitchen, gas stove, plenty of cabinets here. We've got all the stuff you need for cooking. All the pots and pans are here. Keurig for coffee needs. Plates, bowls, cups, fridge. And again, the awesome view, Tricky Pond right there, right from your porch. Then we come into the bathroom. Beautiful tile shower here. All the towels and linens are provided for you. So you just have to bring your clothes and some food, and you're all set. So in here we have the other bedroom. Full-size bed in here, plenty of storage. All the extra linens for the front room are in these cabinets. So another private room with the door here. And you have another view here from the water, right from your bedroom. And then the part that the kids really like is the loft area. So up here we have 2 twin-size beds, so the kids can enjoy their own space. Some more storage up there for your clothes and everything. Really nice space. Air conditioning, everything that you need is right here. So this cabin was named for Edna St. Vincent Millay, who was a Maine poet, and we have some of her work here hung up in the cabin. She won the Pulitzer Prize for poetry. She's from Rockport, Maine, and this is a portrait of her. So that's what this cabin is named after, the Millay cabin. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We've worked really hard on this and really excited for everyone to come and enjoy Tricky Pond and kind of like better than hotel living because you have your own space. So thank you, everyone. If you're interested in booking the Millay cabin, you can go online to loonshaven.com. Remember, we still have that 35% off weekday special. If you book Monday through Thursday, you get 35% off. So come and stay, enjoy the cabin. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Stay cool and stay dry. We're supposed to get some rain, so if you were in the cabin, though, it wouldn't matter because being in a tent, rain is not very much fun camping, but if you're in the cabin, you're fine. Have a good weekend, everyone.